Multi-purpose pocket knives are really one of the most powerful outdoor tools for survival. The word multi-purpose truly applies because a multi-purpose pocket knives truly aids in your survival outdoors. If you are hunting, fishing, camping, traveling, backpacking in the bush, a multi-purpose survival knives are as essential to your survival as anything else.
Getting equipped the best way possible is the first act you take in this pursuit of survival.
Just going outdoors with the right tools allows you to have the confidence that, if things happen, you're prepared.
I recommend a multi-purpose pocket knives. Are great for outdoor survival, camping, or daily use.
Here's the link. You can get it for free plus shipping. Grab yours free while you still can.